Hi guys, my name is Fateh and our today's topic is about robotics. Basically, robotics is the interdisciplinary field of science and engineering that deal with the design, construction, operation and the use of robots. Here are some key aspects of robotics. Types of robotics. Industrial robots, which are used in manufacturing and production. Service robots assist humans and in various tasks like cleaning and healthcare. Autonomous robots operate independently, making decisions without human intervention. An humanoid robot designed to resemble and mimic human appearance and behavior. Mobile robot capable of movement and navigation in various environments. Robotic application. Manufacturing and production, healthcare and medical robotics, space exploration, military and defense, agriculture and farming, transportation and logistics, education and research. Robotic technologies, artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, computer vision, sensor systems, actuators and motors, control systems, human robot interactions, HRA. Robotic benefits include increased efficiency and productivity, improved accuracy and precision, enhanced safety and security, reduced labor cost, improved the quality of life, expanded capabilities and reach, new job creation. Robotic challenges, technical complexity. Robotic challenges include technical complexity, high development costs, integration with existing systems, safety and security concerns, ethical and social implications, public acceptance and trust, continuous maintenance and updates. Here are some additional topics related to robotics. Trends of robotics. Increased the use of AI, artificial intelligence and ML in machine learning. Rise of autonomous robots. Growing demand for service robots. Advancement in human-robot collaboration. Development of soft robotics. Increased focus on robotic safety and security. Growing use of robotic in healthcare and education. Robotic components, sensors for example cameras, lidar, GPS, actuator for example motor, servos and pneumatic, microcontroller for example Arduino and Raspberry, power sources for example batteries, fuel cells, communication system for example Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Robotic software, robotic operating system ROS, programming languages like Python, C++, Java, HTML, C++, JavaScript and etc. Simulation software, for example, Gizmo and VRAP, computer VN library, for example, OpenCV and PCL. Robotic applications in agriculture, for example, harvesting crop and monitoring. Construction, for example, building demolition. Disaster response, for example, search and rescue. Environmental monitoring, for example, climate tracking and wildlife conservation. Food processing, for example, packaging and inspection. A few more topics related to robotics. Robotic in daily life. Vacuum cleaning robot, for example, Roomba. Lawn mowing robot, for example, Husqvarna. Personal assistant robot, for example, Amazon Echo and Google Home. Smart home devices, for example, thermostats and lights. Wearable robot, for example, exoskeletons and prosthetics. Robot in healthcare. Robotics in healthcare includes surgical robots, for example, Da Vinci rehabilitation robot, for example, robotic arms, legs. Assistive robot, for example, wheelchair and walkers. Telepresence robot, for example, remote consultations. Pharmacy robot, for example, automated dispensing. Robotic in space exploration. Planetary rovers, for example, Curiosity and Perseverance. Satellite maintenance robot, for example, NASA's Robonaut. Space station robot, for example, Canada Arm 2. Mars sample return robot, for example, NASA's Mars 20. 20. Astro dot mining robot, for example, planetary resources.